Don't forget to press the subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay up to date with all our videos. Okay, so now let us quickly take a look at list in React. So I already have a friend list here and with the name. So what I'm going to do here is, as you can see, this is an unordered list by Bootstrap. So we'll just display it in a line item. So let me just grab one line item and remove the rest of them. Okay, so it's gonna be in friend list, right? So what I'm going to do is friend list dot map. You cannot have a for loop here. You'll need to have a map. So return div friend dot name. Okay, let's see what we get here. We'll get the list of all the friends, and we already had a line item. So here we will have friend dot name. Alright, great. So now the thing is that why would this be helpful is when we do an API call, we get a list of items, and once we have the list of items, we would like to display it on the screen. So let us replicate that somehow. So use effect, and just because we are using hooks here, so we'll use effects, and initially we'll just need a component did mount, so we don't really care about any updates. So set timeout. So this set timeout is something which will replicate the timing that it takes to fetch the data. Okay, so set friends to friend list. Okay, and it's supposed to be we don't really need that as the spread operator. Okay, and here instead of this we'll use friends dot map. Okay, let's see. Initially it should be empty, and once it takes time it's gonna display it, because after 4 seconds we are setting the friends to friend list. So which is great. So this is how we use list in React. Thank you very much for watching, and if you guys haven't subscribed to our channel, please do it and share it as much as you can with your friends, and I'll see you next time. Have a good time. Bye bye.